Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about how to use EtsyHunt to find keywords with low competition and high sales volume for print-on-demand products that you can start selling today for free. Don't need to pay anything to sign up for these suppliers, and you don't need to pay anything except for the 20-cent listing fee to sell on Etsy. Of course, you could sell these products on Shopify as well. However, EtsyHunt is specifically for Etsy. So if we were to try and sell something like metal wall art in the print-on-demand space, the competition is very high for this particular keyword. So it's not impossible. We could still rank for this keyword, but we would need to have sales volume and momentum happening in order to get onto the first, second, or third page, or we would need to run Etsy ads. But let's take Etsy ads out of the equation for the moment, and let's look at some keywords that have low competition that we could actually rank on the first page for right away. And if we have enough sales volume and momentum, then we could come back and rank for these metal wall arts or some of these more competitive keywords, right? So EtsyHunt is free to sign up for. You can get started with it today, absolutely free, with the link below in the description. Be sure to check that out, sign up so that you can follow along on the video. But here are some examples. Metal wall art shark, 204,000 monthly sales, but only 613 in competition. And you can actually sort by competition or by sales. So for example, let's look at some of the top sales. 1.2 million for metal wall art pet, and the competition is only 8.3K. Now that's still a little bit of competition, but nothing compared to, for example, metal wall art print, which has 84,000, or metal wall art, which is 368,000 for competition. So metal wall art cat, for example, would be a good one. These are all very easy to rank for on the first few pages. And the one that really stuck out to me was metal wall art drums, over 1 million monthly sales, only 1.2K in competition. So EtsyHunt can show you the exact keywords that you can use in your title, your description, and your tags to ensure that you're ranking in areas that get a lot of views, a lot of sales, but have very little competition. So starting out, especially on Etsy, you're going to want to use something like EtsyHunt, eRank, Everbee to help you find these keywords, right? So you can get started with EtsyHunt for free with the link below, and then you can also use it to find products that are trending at the moment as well in the print-on-demand space. So if you're wondering how you can do the metal art, you're gonna want to use a supplier called My Easy Monogram. They're one of my favorite metal art suppliers, and they do a lot of personalized metal art. They have a lot of these themed type metal arts, and you can sell them directly on Etsy. You can sell them on your Shopify store, which I recommend, but on Etsy as well. So let me show you exactly how I did this. Come up to keywords, keyword analysis, and then on this page, you're gonna type in your primary keyword. So let's say in this case, let's do blanket for nephew. And I have no idea how much competition this keyword has. So it has very low competition and really good sales volume. So in this case, this is actually something that the main keyword has low competition and good sales. So we might want to sell a blanket for nephews directly. But what I would do next is scroll down. We go to similar keywords, and now it's going to show us all sorts of similar keywords. Let's filter by the competition. Actually, let's filter by the sales. And now we can see there are some in here that are almost like hidden gems that we can rank for, but they don't have a ton of competition. So blanket with rabbit, for example, blanket with tassels. Some of these, they might not be possible with print on demand, and that's okay. Just keep moving on. Blanket for chemo, blanket with picture, blanket for grandma, blanket for cat bed. I mean, 2.7 million in sales and 3.7K for competition for a blanket for cat bed. These are just untapped keywords that you can include in your title, your description, and your tags, and you're going to end up ranking for these. And if you sell enough inside of these lower competition keywords, then you can eventually rank for the high competition keywords. And you can become a bestseller and get all of the Etsy choice tags and everything else that comes along with making money on Etsy and successfully ranking your listings and not just shooting in the dark, guessing on your keywords. So I would highly recommend grabbing EtsyHunt. Join the free Facebook group if you haven't already. I'm sharing lots of free tips, classes, bringing in outside experts. I'm doing everything that I can to help you. It's easier for you to ask a question there, and I can get back with you probably within the same day. So be sure to join the Facebook group. I'm having a lot of fun connecting with all of you. Join the community and like the video if you got value from it. Subscribe subscribe, and let me know in the comments what questions you have. Have an amazing day, create something awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.